You can call us Autobots for short.
Call Officer Ratchet.
The boy's pheromone levels suggest he wants to mate with the female. His vocal processes were damaged in battle. I'm still working on him. Cons, find the Allspark. They will use its power to transform Earth's machines and build a new army.
And the human race will be extinguished. Sam Witwicky, you hold the key to Earth's survival. Rust.
Right. Whoa. Oh, okay. Shh. Shut up and go.
Move! Get away. What's the matter with you? Quiet.
Wow, that was tingly. Oh, gotta try that.
Yeah, that looks fun.
Your issue here. What's with the light? You gotta stop the light. What's it up? Turn it off.
Oh, parents.
Boy, stealthy, Sam.
Oh.
Judy, better call the city. We got a blown transformer. Power poles sparking all over the place. Oh, man. The yard's a waste. For what? The whole yard.
You're kidding.
The parents are very irritating. Yeah. Can I take them out? It's an option. Relieve them of their weapons. Freeze!
Whoa!
Give me those. Optimus, incoming! Roll out!
Chinese and the Russians are near.
Work.
Fire it up, Optimus.
The code. The code on these glasses indicates the...
I sense the Decepticons are getting ready to mobilize.
Can't just leave him to die.
Bumblebee is a brave soldier. This is what he would want. Why are we fighting to save the humans? Fails.
Suicide. The cube is raw power. It could destroy you both.
Autobots, roll out!
We roll.
It's Megatron, retreat! Move! Fall back!
Sam, we will protect you. Get to the building. Move!
Cover fire!
Stop! Sam, get to the building. We lost a great comp, but gained new ones. Thank you, all of you. You honor us with your bravery. Permission granted, old friend.
You speak now?
If that is his choice.